Look what came today. It came by FedEx. I'm so excited. It comes with the cradle. Look, it's my Easy Press. I'm just excited to finally get this. Oh my gosh, I'm just excited. It's in Wisteria. It came, it's a bundle that was being sold at Joann's. And let me show you all the goodies you get. You get this, the Love Iron-On. This is what's included with the bundle. The elephants, and it says change is coming and people are always trying to change me. Maker's gonna make. Maker's gonna make. Let's see. Awesome. Awesome. Isn't that nice? And then love. Love. These are amazing iron-ons. So it came with this in the bundle. It came with the let's do it. Let's do this. It comes with the Sports Flex iron-on. I already took it out of the box because I was so excited. And it comes in blue and black. But this is just amazing. It's the Cricut Easy Press in Wisteria. It's the special bundle edition. And when you hit the power, it's going to be red. It has the temperature, the plus and the minus, timer and temperature, the power, and then it has the light here when it's ready to use. I love that it comes with the cradle. Oh, I'm just so excited about this. I couldn't wait to get this. I currently have a Cricut Air 2 in lilac, which I love, but I see that they got it in Wisteria, and I'm just loving it, and I can't wait to get it. I'm saving up for that, and I also want the Cricut Maker. I want a total of 3 Cricut machines. The Cricut Maker, the Wisteria Cricut. Look at, isn't this nice? The Cricut Air 2 in Wisteria. I need to get the Bright Pad, and I need to get the, I got a Cuttlebug in mint green, because at the time it didn't come in lilac. So, but look, it's just, I am so amazed with this Easy Press. I can't wait to start ironing. I'm going to do a separate video with my hours and schedule. I'm going to do it this weekend, and I'm just excited. I cannot wait. I got so many glitter iron-ons that I got from the mystery boxes. I love the Cricut mystery boxes. It doesn't matter if the digital or the Cuttlebug mystery box or just a regular Cricut mystery box with the cartridges. I'm just so amazed with everything that you get in those boxes. If you don't get notifications, check out, I'll have the link below. Check out the Cricut.com website. You can visit my page, so anytime there's a mystery box coming out, I will let you know on my webpage or on Facebook. And I'm just loving it. Instagram, I'm under as PurplePaisleyPlanner. Subscribe to my channel, share my channel, like my video, and hit the notification bell so you know when I'm on live, because I'm going to start doing live chats and everything, and unboxing and doing a lot with Cricut, because I'm just loving Cricut. I love the company. I love everything I purchased from them. I'm just amazed with Cricut. So I'm happy to get my Easy Press. I was so happy when the FedEx box came, because I had it delivered to my job, because I did not want this taken off my porch. You know, they got a bunch of, you know, I don't want nobody trying to take anything off my porch. Even though I got a camera, I'd rather know that I have it in my hand. So I had it delivered to my job at my place of business. So I am so excited. So check it out. I'll be back with another video showing how I use my Easy Press, and I'm just excited. Okay, this is Annette. I'm so excited. Thank you for visiting my channel. Check it out. You must get this. This is a must to have. Everybody has to. If you like ironing and iron-ons, you will love this. It's just perfect. Just perfect. Okay, stay positive. Let's create. Bye-bye.